One difficulty of rural life that I didn't anticipate is being offered animals left and right. Kittens, of course. You can't stop at a farm to buy cheese without being offered a kitten or two. The guy ringing up my plants at the plant nursery asked if I would also be interested in a senior horse. I visited a llama farm 2 years ago and went home with a donkey, and my mom was like, "You never talked about getting a donkey. Did you mean to get a donkey?" Of course not. It was an accidental donkey. And today, for the second time in 6 months, a neighbor, not the same one, offered me free baby goats. Again, I had to say no. Is my will being tested? Like St. Peter? I will deny the goats 3 times, then hear the rooster crow? Jesus is a free baby goat?